Hi, my name is Heather. I'm the CEO and one of the founders of IceWind. Did you know that about 20% of all telecom systems in the world today is running on diesel? IceWind intends to solve that by introducing the IceWind Energy Platform. The IceWind Energy Platform is a renewable power platform that is designed for telecom, communications, and surveillance systems. At its core is a patented micro-vertical axis wind turbine that is specifically designed for extreme weather conditions in the Arctic, which means that you can install it anywhere on the planet. The system is highly versatile and can not only input energy from wind, but also from solar, hydroelectric, diesel, you name it. The system is easy to install and has a lifespan of over 25 years. Find out more on icewind.is or icewindusa.com. Thank you.